Hello, this is Grace Nasralla with another episode of Two Business Tips Daily. Today we have with us Baqar Bhatti, who is the CEO at PAS, an accounting and tax management consultancy. Thank you for being with us, Baqar.
Good day, Grace.
Our question to you today is what two tips would you offer to owners of service sector businesses as they set their prices?
Thank you, Grace. A good question. As we all know that in the service sector, basically we produce intangible output. Another important feature of service sector organizations is that the services are heterogeneous. They are not homogeneous. So in this case, we probably can't use standard costing techniques. But the two relevant points that may be of interest to most service sector owners is that you need to categorize your heterogeneous services into homogeneous groups. For example, category A, category B, C, and so on. And then what you need to do is that you need to calculate the average time spent for completing one unit of service within each category. Suppose in category A, you take just half an hour to complete one unit, and in category B, you probably take, say, 1 hour, something like that. Now, second point is you need to determine your average hourly rate. And nowadays, there's a lot of information available on the internet, and you can figure out which hourly rate would be more appropriate in your context, keeping in view what your competitors are offering, etc. Now, then you're going to multiply this average hourly rate with the time you believe you're going to spend on each activity. Suppose if you believe that one unit will require 1 hour of service and your average hourly rate is say $50 per hour, then you're going to charge $50 for that particular service. Now, the two important benefits that may arise from this simple approach is that you get appropriate return for the time you spent on each category of services. We know that time is money. And in this approach, we assume that time is the cost driver. And second important benefit is that the possibility of underpricing and overpricing is minimized. This implies that reasonable profit for your business without losing good customers. Thank you.
Well, thank you. Thank you for the advice and thank you for being with us.
My pleasure.
That concludes our time for today. Thank you for watching, and I will be with you tomorrow with another episode of Two Business Tips Daily.